Hello and welcome back. I am Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here of Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today I want to continue the conversation. I want to talk about waivers, all right? If you've triggered the 3-year bar, if you've triggered the 10-year bar, and you want to waive one of those two things, and then, how do you do that? Well, to do that, there's two options. One of the options is inside the United States, the other option is outside the United States. And regardless of where you are, it'll change the process a bit, but the legal requirements are the same. To waive unlawful presence, you've got to show that you have I guess I don't need to write all this down. You've got to show that you have a U.S. citizen spouse or parent, or a green card holding spouse or parent, who would suffer what the law considers to be extreme hardship without you. I'm going to say that again. If you want to waive the 3 or the 10-year bar, all right, whether it's inside the U.S. or out, you've got to show that you've got a U.S. citizen spouse or parent, children don't count, spouse or parent, or a green card holding spouse or parent who would suffer what the law considers to be extreme hardship without you. All right? And you do that on Form I-601. You show lots of evidence. So what does this mean, right? Extreme hardship. Those are the terms. That's like the buzzword. Extreme hardship. Look, if my wife were rejected into the United States, I would suffer something, right? And I hope that if you're married, I hope you would suffer something too. Pretty much every spouse would suffer something if their spouse were denied a visa, all right? But immigration law doesn't recognize it if you're just suffering something. You've got to show that you're suffering an extreme amount of hardship to get that waiver approved. And that's why it's very critical in these types of cases to have a lawyer who can really strategize for you how, what medical documents can we show? Can we get a medical evaluation done? What psychological or emotional hardship can we show? And can we get a psychological evaluation done? What financial hardship can we show? And can we create a budget? And can we get financial documents and records, right? Because we want to paint the picture, the full picture, to immigration so that they understand exactly what the U.S. citizen or the green card holding spouse or parent will be dealing with in your absence. All right? And so, that's it. That's it. And then you submit all of that evidence. You submit it to United States Citizenship and Immigration Service. You wait a long time. Right now, it's taking at least a year, all right, to get a waiver approved. And if it's approved, then you've gotten a waiver of the unlawful presence grounds of inadmissibility. All right? If you have questions about that, please contact our office. We love waiver cases. I'd love to walk you through that process. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C. We fight for your American dream. Thank you.